Kallipr decided to invest in the SMT line to achieve at least three key objectives. The first one is how do we bring quality product with innovation in it to our customers in a quicker way. This line enables us to do rapid prototyping, which significantly accelerates our path between innovation and product to market. Second one is to enable us to build end-to-end traceability and how we build product, i.e. we want to add quality and quality measures to everything we do. And this line really gives us end-to-end traceability by capturing data all through the process. And then the third one, built from the first two, is how do we build global scale? And this line is really the building block for actually enabling a global scalable production capability in the future. The key technology advancements for this line can be captured in three key areas. First, speed. This line gives us the ability to place more than 100,000 components per hour on the line at 25 micron accuracy. That gives us a lot of ability and capacity for many years to come. Second thing is that it gives us quality control measures by capturing data through the line. We are capturing more than 2,000 images per device or per PCB that goes through this line. All that data gets captured and associated with the device for its life. And then the third one is we've got the ability to bring AI into our environment. Our optical inspection is AI driven. It allows us to do optical inspection down to 5 microns. It gives us the ability to actually make sure that the quality that comes off the line is spot on. And beyond all the technology advancements we've achieved here, the most important thing more than likely is we've achieved a huge outcome when it comes to the team effort. Along with the team at Hawker Richardson and many other technology partners, we've been able to bring this line to life in a record time. The team at Kallipr, both from day one when we started building this facility to deploying the line and now operating the line, the team has pulled together to actually build, commission, and now operate this line today.